Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with a few project shares that I did this with Miss Gigi over on her channel on Wednesday, May 19th, 2021. We did 3 rounds of prompts, which we don't usually do. Round 1, I'll show you all the projects one by one. So round 1 was this one, where I took a piece of scrapbook paper and worked with it. And the first one was a postage stamp. So I took a pair of scissors that I have and I trimmed around the paper to make it look like a postage stamp. And it's some of those scissors like this that you can do different designs with. Then we used nail polish, which is the purple you see right around here. Okay. Then we use a candy wrapper, which I have mine right here. Okay. Then we used washi tape, which I have here and over here. Okay. Color pen, which I took my black pen and I did the faux stitching all around here and on an envelope. And then we had the envelope. Then we had feather or a leaf. I decided to draw mine. So mine's a feather. Looks more like a leaf, but that's okay. And then on round 2, I wanted to work with wood. So this is like some MDF that I had from a purchase I had made a while back. And I wanted to see if the glue that I used would work well with wood. So I was using Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. And I wanted to see if it would stick with wood. So our first, no, I don't think that's the, yeah, this is it, okay. Our first prompt for this one was orange. And you can see here that I have the outliner pins where in the middle it's silver and on the outside is orange. Then we have lined paper, which I did my own lined paper on my computer and just made it to fit here. Then we had sew something. So I had made this on one of my videos. It's my own button trim where I took some some crocheted trim and sewed some buttons on it. Okay. The next was string. Well, up here you can barely see it, but I put some thread all the way across here. And then we had the color pink, which is right here. Okay, I put a pink, crocheted pink ribbon. Then we had glue, which we had to glue something on the board itself. So I chose to glue the envelope here. Then the last color, the last prompt was orange, or yellow, I mean. So I took a little orange piece of paper and slipped it into my envelope, a tiny little letter. Okay, now round number 3 was done by the audience. Let me try to stick this on here a little better because seems like my washi tape is coming off. I didn't use no glue for it, so I may have to go back and do that. Now, round number 3 was circles or flowers. I chose to do circles first, all over my foam core board here. And then the next one was long and short lines and different thicknesses. So you see my long and short line. I used a marker here, a pin here, and I also have some up here. Then we had to do flowers. I used some wallpaper and cut out some flowers. Leaves, same thing. I used wallpaper here and just cut the leaves out. Then we had to use buttons. I used these buttons and some buttons that I punched out. And then we had to draw a little vase, which is okay. And then we added a word. So you can see prompts, 3 rounds of prompts, and I have 3 different projects. So I want to say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload any type of content. And also be kind, be crafty, be blessed, be loving, and be be crafty. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.